Hey everyone, here's a little add-on to my turtle shell videos. I'm going to show you an easier way to attach straps that doesn't need a backpack like I showed in the original tutorial. Alright, so what you want to do is remove any paint you've already painted on the inside of the shell. And if you're smarter than me and haven't painted it yet, you're still going to want to sand the area so the glue has something to attach to. Grab a scrap of puzzle piece foam floor mat and measure a piece about 10 centimeters wide. You're going to want to cut 2 of those, one for each strap. Then you can cut them down to length. I cut mine 29 centimeters long. Of course, this is for my 10-year-old daughter, so you might want to cut yours a little longer. Sand along the edges for better glue adhesion, and place them where you want them inside your shell. Do some foam rectangle tracing moves so you know where they're supposed to go. Grab a couple snappy buckle things from your buckle bag, and some webbing from your rope box. Wash your webbing because it's been outside in the garage for 10 years. Then you can sew the buckles on and cut the strap to length. The straps I made ended up being 120 centimeters long, which was more than long enough for my daughter, as you can see by where the buckles ended up. Alright, grab some parchment paper and fold it around your strap. Cut it off and place your parchment wrapped strap inside the shell. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, make sure the parchment paper is a little bit longer than the foam rectangles. That way you can stick a pin through on either end and hold it in place. And now all you gotta do is apply hot glue to both edges of the foam rectangle. Obviously, try not to get glue down the middle because that's where your strap is going. Line it up with the outline you made and hold it down until the glue cools. Of course, it's pretty hard to avoid some glue spreading to where the strap is, which is why we have our protective parchment paper. Pull out the parchment paper pins, and then you should easily be able to pull out the parchment paper wrapped strap. And that is pretty much it. All you gotta do is slide the buckle onto the other end of the strap and you are good to go. It's quick, it's easy, and it works. Thanks for watching. See ya.